There is a common assumption. Politics means parliaments, elections, diplomacy. Ecology is about nature. Sport is about competition. Science is about facts. Each domain exists within its own boundaries, operating by its own rules. This assumption does not survive contact with reality. The boundaries of the political sphere are historically fluid. What one era treats as neutral, technical, natural, cultural, another era turns into a subject of state regulation, exercises of power, and public conflict. This process is called politicization. Take ecology. Half a century ago, climate was a subject for meteorologists. Today, the climate agenda shapes the energy policy of states, international treaties, tax structures, and electoral strategies. Ecology has become a battleground for power and resources. But this is a two-way street. If ecology becomes politicized, the reverse also happens. Politics becomes ecologized. States are forced to embed ecological logic into the very substance of political decisions. The ecological imperative becomes a part of the language of power, a criterion of political legitimacy. The same applies to sport. Olympic boycotts, World Cups as political projects, sporting sanctions, all of this is politics. And simultaneously, politics absorbs the logic of sport, spectacle, collective identity, the cult of victory. Or science. Expert knowledge becomes politicized, turned into an argument in political struggle, and politics adopts the language of science, compelled to appeal to data, evidence, and expert consensus. The mechanism is the same. Any domain where a conflict of interests requires collective resolution inevitably draws politics in, and politics, in turn, absorbs the logic of that domain. The question is not whether any given sphere of life is politicized. The question is to what degree and which way the current flows strongest at any given moment.